My name is Adam. I'm the kitchen and bath designer at the ProSource in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. So this is a cabinetry from Decora. Decora I really like because it gives me a lot to work with. Everything from like, basic cabinetry like pull-out waste baskets to, they have a really neat feature here with a knife block in the cabinet and a place for utensils, slotted spoons, things like that. They have accessories, big drawers for pots and pans. They'll have cutting boards that are kind of hidden away in the cabinetry here. There is one feature on the inside here where they call this their base super cabinet. It gives you tons of flexible storage. One thing my customers don't really know much about, but I like to show them, they have a cabinet for a stand mixer. So if you have a big heavy KitchenAid mixer, especially if it's somebody who doesn't like really lugging that in and out of a cabinet, we can use this. A lot of times we hook this up so that the plug is right inside the cabinet, and then they don't even have to worry about pulling that out or messing with it. They just wipe it down and put it back. My name is Adam. I'm the kitchen and bath designer here at the ProSource in Elk Grove Village. Come check us out and I'd love to show you more.